Can you tell the number of ribs in our body? Yes, ma'am. So in our body, we have 12 ribs on each side. In that, the first 7 ribs, are called as true ribs because they are connecting the vertebra and the sternum. So they are vertebro-sternal ribs or true ribs, the first 7 ribs. Then we have the 8, 9 and 10th ribs, which are connected at the back to the vertebra, okay, and in the front they are connected actually to the costal cartilage of the 7th rib, okay. So that is why they are called as vertebrochondral ribs. This 8, 9, 10 are vertebrochondral ribs, okay. Then we have 2 ribs which are floating. They don't even reach the front actually. At the back they are connected to the vertebra. So they are floating ribs or vertebral ribs, the 11 and 12, okay. In some people, this 12th rib can be absent. So if the 12th rib is absent, then they will have total number of 11 ribs on each side, we can say, okay. One thing is there called as cervical rib and lumbar rib. These are some extra ribs that can be there. The cervical rib comes from the C7 transverse process. Due to overdevelopment of this transverse process of the C7, some people can have what is called as a cervical rib. This can compress your subclavian artery or your first thoracic nerve and cause some thoracic inlet syndrome. Okay, it can cause some vascular and neural problem. So basically, these are the number of ribs. So remember 12, 7 true and 2 floating. Okay. And middle you have 8, 9, 10, which are the vertebrochondral ribs. Okay.